Today's topic is transport number Hittorf method. Transport number. Transport number can be defined as the ratio of current carried by an ion and total current carried. Transport number of cation. It can be defined as the current carried by cation divided by total current carried by cation and anion. Transport number of anion. This can be defined as current carried by anion divided by total current carried by anion and cation. Hittorf rule. This rule states that the sum of transport number of anion and transport number of cation always equals to 1. In the above representations, small u is equal to current carried by cation, small v is equal to current carried by anion. U plus v represent total current. Description of Hittorf rule. According to this, the loss in amount of electrolyte around any electrode is proportional to the speed of the ion moving away from that electrode. Repeating again because it is very important. The loss in amount of electrolyte around any electrode is proportional to the speed of the ion moving away from that electrode. This can be summed up as follows. Loss around anode divided by total loss is equal to transport number of cation. Keep in mind. Loss around anode divided by total loss is equal to transport number of cation. And again for transport number of anion, loss around cathode divided by total loss is equal to transport number of anion. Hittorf operations. This is the instrument used to determine transport number of given electrolyte. This instrument is consist of three compartments: anode compartment, cathode compartment, and middle compartment. All these compartments provided with stop cocks. These stop cocks are helpful to withdraw the electrolytic solution after completion of the electrolysis process. Procedure. After the electrolysis, the solutions is to be withdrawn from the respective compartments and titrated against ammonium thiocyanate solution. The change in amount of electrolyte in the anodic compartment is thus obtained. And the same procedure has to follow regarding cathode compartment solution also. Estimations. After getting the concentrations, the values has to submit in the following equations to get the transport numbers of respective ions. Thank you. Happy learning.